Hey everyone, I'm Cami. I'm passionate about design and excited to guide you through Canva today. Let's unleash our creativity together. First, let's get started by visiting canva.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the screen. You have the option to sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or by entering your email address and creating a password. Here, you'll see options asking you what brings you to Canva. Are you a student, a teacher, working in a small business, or maybe just exploring for personal use? Select the option that fits you best. This helps Canva provide you with the most relevant tools and templates. Now that you're all set up, the possibilities are endless. Explore the vast library of templates, play around with the drag and drop features, and let your creativity run wild. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment.